Hello everybody and welcome back to DIY Diecast. My name is Joe and this is another wheel swap video. As you can see in my hand, I have the absolutely gorgeous 1984 Chevrolet Corvette. It's Hot Wheels mainline from the Hot Wheels the 80s series. A lot of great 80s cars featured in this collection. And I think that the paint scheme and even the factory plastic wheels on this don't look that bad, but boy do I got something I think is a lot better. And I think that you'll agree. So I'm going to put this down, put you on pause, bring you over here, get you set up for maximum viewing for this wheel swap. Hang tight. All right. Here it is. What a fantastic job they did on this 80s Corvette. As we get it out of the package, we'll certainly be able to spin it around here and take a look at what they have done for the details on this mainline Hot Wheels vehicle. I think you'll agree that here lately, Hot Wheels has really been stepping up the quality on their licensed main lines, and this car is certainly no exception. That metallic gold paint job is a real hit. It goes very well on this car. The white decaling is not overboard. It's not too much. In my opinion, it is the exact right amount. Those racing stripes are looking very good. They went through the trouble to color in the corner marker lights for us. You see the tip of orange there, and even on the back ones. And if we go out back here, those tail lights are casted in, and that's a way better looking than them being flat like on some of the older or the Matchbox models. And like I said, you know, these 5-spoke wheels, they don't even look that bad on there. So this is a car you could absolutely keep in the package if you're a Corvette collector or a Corvette fan. And it really looks great the way it is. But I've got a 5-spoke I think looks a little bit better, and I absolutely love to do these wheel swaps with the real rubber tires. And this is the wheel I've chosen for this wheel swap. It's that very Red Line Club Super Treasure Hunt looking chrome deep dish 5-spoke with the white letter real rubber. Check the tread out on those tires. Gator backs. You got it. And I think they're simply going to look amazing on this car. I think you'll agree. So without any further ado, let's get into the surgery. Alright, so do a lot. Let's take any kind of two pieces of pointy metal and get them on the end of those wheel pins, and then give them a good push against each other from both sides at the same time. That will lock those pins in. And remember, since we haven't used any glue at any point down the road, if we find a different set of wheels we think that would look better on this car, or for whatever reason, a good yank on one of these wheels will still allow these to pull off, and you could certainly still change the wheels. Alright, I think I got that locked in. Not really. A little bit more of a press there. Okay. Yeah, there we go. It's reveal time. What do you think of that? Isn't that very Redline Club or very Super Treasure Hunt looking? Certainly better than those hard plastic